the students are challenged to create a sweatband that can be used by the athletes in the Olympics. And to do that, they must study the materials. The students can be divided into teams for their scientific investigations. For example, when they're studying absorbency, they could decide to test various swatches of fabric in certain ways, either put them into water to see how much water they absorb, in a measuring cup perhaps. They could use the fabric as an absorbing water through osmosis, as a wick, maybe draped over a cup, or they can actually use an eyedropper and with certain swatches of material actually put drops of water on the swatch. One thing you need to consider is each swatch needs to be the same size. So, again, the scientific process is accurate. And that's what we're looking at, the scientific process and the study. What are they going to do? They need to define that. What are they going to do it with? The book does recommend that you use white materials. That's okay. For the purposes of TV, we're going to use colored. It will also show up how it absorbs the water. With the drops of water, they need to decide whether they're going to use 1 drop, 2 drops. They can determine several things. They can determine how it absorbs 1 drop, 2 drops, how many drops of water it takes to actually saturate the fabric, or how long it takes the water to saturate into the fabric. As we'll try it first with 1 drop on each swatch and see how that works. 2 drops. And then to be scientific, I've got to do 2 drops on each one. Each of these fabrics has a different fiber content. One of them is pure cotton. The others are blends. The blue is a combination of polyester and cotton. This green is a combination of cotton, mostly cotton, with a little polyester. The others are heavy polyesters with other slight blends. The black has a wool blend, etc. So now you're looking at the drops of water as they've been absorbed by the material. That could be the first step in the investigation. As the students decide what they're going to do and want to make their observations, they can also make a matrix similar to this in the book. And actually, when you look at this matrix, it refers you to even another way to use this process to test something in the home. In this case, a paper towel test.